Alrighty, y'all. Gather around the field kitchen, 'cause today we're cooking up something real special. Dairy Delight steamed hay.
Oh, yeah.
Now for this recipe, you're gonna want to start around 2 p.m. in the afternoon when the hay's nice and dry, like Grandma's cornbread. Next up, we're gonna add about 95% steam right to the top of that windrow. Think of it like a light misting of hickory smoke. Then, drop 80% steam to the bottom layer. That's where the flavor gets locked in, folks. The end result? A soft, leafy bale that'll have your dairy heifers batting their eyes and asking for seconds. Tastes like profits, y'all. Now let's see what a couple of our farmers have got to say about it.
With the steamed hay, will be around 9 to 11% moisture. So they're not paying for steam, they're paying for leaf. And I haven't met a dairyman yet that doesn't want to pay for leaf.
Both of our hay buyers, both the one in our summer hay and our dairy, have been ecstatic with the quality and consistency of product since we've moved over to steamers.
Join us next time in the field kitchen, where hay meets gourmet.